Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration red seal HVAC license exam practice questions. So it is now multiple choice set 38, and I'm gonna start right away to question number 1. Capacitive reactance is determined by blank of AC supply voltage and capacity of capacitor. A. Current. B. Frequency. C. Resistance. D. Inductance. Correct answer is B. Frequency. Number 2. Lower CFM is used during A. Off cycle. B. Heating cycle. C. Cooling cycle. D. Fan cycle. Correct answer is B. Heating cycle. Number 3. Transfer of heat from molecule to molecule in a substance through chain reaction is A. Conduction. B. Convection. C. Radiation. D. Fusion. Correct answer is A. Conduction. Number 4. Maximum carbon monoxide level indoors is 20 ppm. B. 15 excuse me. B. 15 ppm. C. 10 ppm. Or D. 5 ppm. Correct answer is D. 5 ppm. Number 5. The ionized plate excuse me. Number 5. The ionized plate type electronic air cleaner uses a high voltage of A. 12,000 volts DC. B. 24,000 volts DC. C. 18,000 volts DC. Or D. 30,000 volts DC. Correct answer is A. 12,000 volts DC. Number 6. The volumetric efficiency of the compressor decreases as the evaporator temperature A is 0, B rises, C falls, or D remains constant. Correct answer is C, falls. Number 7. When the discharge pressure or head pressure rises, the system capacity is A. increased, B. reduced, C. unchanged, or D. 0. Correct answer is B. reduced. Number 8. The head pressure or discharge pressure is influenced by blank and suction pressure. A. inside temperature, B. inside pressure, C. outside temperature, or D. defrost temperature. Correct answer is C. outside temperature. Number 9. When a DC supply is applied to capacitor, after charging, it will discharge or provide DC supply. Is the statement A. false or B. true? Correct answer is B. True statement. Number 10, last question. Air core transformers are used in A. radio frequency applications, B. communications, C. high frequency applications, or D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something. Wish you all the best in your red cell review. Cheers, have a good one. Till next time.